Does anyone else hate when people say, new year, new me? It's always New Year's, same me, and just like the planet, I'll spend the entire year going around in circles to end up exactly where I started. I'll say I want to go to the gym and lose weight, and the only thing I ever end up losing is $49.99 a month. I think this year I'll set more realistic resolutions, like being more giving, because we all know by the second week of January, I will in fact be completely giving up. And instead of joining the gym, I'll just focus on my cardio, because I'm already constantly chasing after guys that don't want me and running away from all of my problems. And if that's not cardio, I don't know what is. Thank y'all.